What is going on, everybody? This is Josh from Sorcerer Studios, and no, this is not the dungeon game that you are looking at. This is a game called Air Traffic Disruptor, and this is the game that I was previously working on, that I released on the Steam store, I believe, in August, and I decided, waking up, to warm up and work on some updates for this morning. So there are some features in the next update that I'm working on. For example, if you have played this before, in the top left-hand corner, there are some new power-ups. And basically, these power-ups will help you greatly in this game. I increased my insane mode PR using those power-ups, so hopefully they'll help you too. So yes, those, and also fixing a lot of bugs, like the audio not starting up at the beginning of a game. Bugs like that, also bugs like mountains flying around, I'll be fixing those. So bugs of all kinds and new updates. So I thought I would start the morning by working on those, and then after that work on the dungeon game. So without further ado, I will see you in the dungeon game. So finally we are in Unity. So I have the blend files of the strong guy skin plus the strong guy armor, and I'm going to bring them into the game. And there is a little bit of work with this. I basically have to first import the skin, and then I have to assign each armor part to the bone in Unity, and then I have to assign each material to each part. So I will show you when I made some progress, and let's get started. So here he is with just the skin. I basically deleted most of his skin because this is where the armor will be covering, and you won't be seeing that skin anyway. And it's good for optimization because less vertices. So I'm currently scaling him next to Ethan because I want him to be a little bit taller than him. Actually, I might make him a little bit taller than this. Actually, Ethan is about he's about 2.0 meters tall, and this guy, he's either going to be 2.3 meters or 2.6 meters. He's currently at 2.3 meters, but I think I'm going to move him up to 2.6. So, without further ado, I'm going to scale him, and then put the armor on him, and then we'll see what he looks like after that. So here he is in his glory with the armor on. Now, all I have to do is make the materials and put them on. So I decided to make him 2.4 meters as opposed to 2.6 or 2.3, a little bit of a mid-ground. Since he's a strong guy, I thought making him taller would make him look more intimidating, or at least taller than Ethan, who is 2.0 meters tall. So yes, so in the next progress update, hopefully he will have the materials on. So get ready, because he is going to look pretty awesome. Finally, we have put all the textures on him, and wow, he looks really, really good with the textures on. A big kudos to Matt, who actually made the textures for this. And wow, I am pretty impressed by how this went. Now the symbol on his chest, that is probably going to be the symbol for the kingdom that he's from, the Underground Kingdom. So we'll have to see how that goes. Now, it's not perfect. There's a couple of things that I noticed. With the front chest plate, there's a couple of glitches with the textures, as well as the neck piece and the face mask. And also, it seems like the chest plate is missing its leather strap texture. Yeah, the leather strap textures, and also there's a couple of things with the bottom plate. I'm not exactly sure why that's happening right now, but if we zoom out, he looks pretty darn awesome. So, wow, and this took a while too, these textures and the modeling of the armor. Okay, cool. So now that the textures are, well, they're not done, we have to fix these things first, but now that the textures are pretty much done, and he is pretty much done, in the next video we're going to get animating him, and that's going to be done through the animator right here. Oh, this is the in progress animator for Ethan. So you'll be seeing that later, but we have to make an animator for this guy as well. But this time we have to make it work for AI, which is artificial intelligence. So instead of having a player controller, it's all going to be through a script. Well, a player controller is also through a script, but this guy will actually be run by the computer. Alright, so that is it for this video. We have the final model, except for some glitches in the textures, but other than that, we have the final version of the first enemy of the game, and I'm very excited for what is going to happen in the next video. Alright, I will see you guys later. Goodbye.